Matthew asks, what's the next industry to be turned upside down because they aren't adjusting to business models to fit changes in technology?
I mean, the answer is everything. You need the breakout product. The reason the hotel industry and the limousine service industry have been thrown upside down is because entrepreneurs came and attacked it full throttle. You know, the appliances, smart appliances are coming, so all appliances are on call. Retail, brands now can go direct to consumer. So I think we'll see that play out over the next 10 years. TV, media, big media conglomerate companies have to adjust to the over-the-top networks and all the infrastructure they have in place to be very expensive to produce television-like products when people can just do it like this or over-the-top is a new distribution game. The internet is the middleman, period. And so anybody who was in the middle is on call, and that's most things. And so I think every industry is primed for disruption. It's why I'm so excited about this generation. It's why, back to the film, it's why I do believe a 48-year-old who has a 9 to 6 job can do something about it from 7 to 2 in the morning if they want to be an entrepreneur, because there's so much opportunity, so ripe. So many things are convoluted. The way we get wills, there's a startup I got involved with that's incredible. Abortion. Abortion is such an emotionally tough thing to begin with if you're in that position, oftentimes. Generalizing, obviously, it could be an offensive move as well. But when you're going through something like that, and then you have to go through the convoluted paperwork where an app can solve everything in a minute, like literally anything that takes time, the DMV, like anything that takes time that is predicated on paper or legacy or keeping humans in jobs like toll booth collectors, like come on, it's 2016. I mean, like seriously? No disrespect, and you might be watching and you are or have a friend or relative that's a toll booth collector, like no joke, like they can make that money doing something that can probably bring them more upside than sitting on their phone playing Angry Birds. I mean, it's insanity. And there's a lot of insanity out there. And I'm excited about insanity getting punched in the mouth by innovation. Innovation, insanity.